A surprise finally came. It took forever, but we got it here. We got my mouthpiece. It's here. So we can finally get rid of the stock one and it will look a lot much more cleaner. But yeah, so so kind of an unboxing kind of deal. I haven't made a video for a while, but I'm making another one tomorrow for something else I'm doing, and then I am doing ones shortly after. But so it's nothing crazy. All you do is obviously you just get the mouthpiece, and then you also get an O-ring. Okay, so you get the O-ring right here. You just don't want to lose it. But we're gonna take that one out and put this one in. Shouldn't be too hard. We got it. It's dirty from all the oil from the PVC, but looks pretty good. Okay, so we're back. So I got the stock one out. Not that hard. Just kind of got to wiggle stuff out. But this is the stock one, and then this is the HSP one. As you can see, it's a lot smoother, and obviously it looks a lot better than plastic. But I'm gonna be selling that and my complete intake for that. So I don't know if someone wants it or whatever, but I'm gonna sell it for something. But so other than that, you got your DRP PVC rear out plugs right there. But this one's just smooth, and we're ready to put it in. I want to kind of clean up the turbo because it looks filthy, but we'll see. So we got the thing on. I'm sweating and breathing really hard. It's funny because people are always talking about like losing weight and going to the gym and stuff. If you really want to lose weight and sweat like a pig, you know, everyone that does works in cars, trucks, whatever, will know. Try working underneath the truck or in the hood. It's like I feel like I literally was running for miles. And oh man, but super hot day. It's barely getting colder, or less hot, I should say. But I got this finally. I got this on finally. The hardest part was actually trying to line up the O-ring because it kept coming off, which is a pain. But other than that, put the clamp on the mouthpiece. If you don't already know that already, it's put it on there first, then slide it in there, and then bolt it down a little bit. It's on there, but it's just loose. I actually took the whole intake off because it was kind of messing with the whole jigger thingy intake. I couldn't get it lined up perfectly with the intake on. Holy crap! See, that's how sweaty I was. I just like put my finger on my forehead and I'm like glistening. But yeah, it should be on a second. All we're gonna do is put the intake on and tighten that up once we get it where we want to. She's all done. You know, it's pretty easy, obviously, after you put everything together. It's not that hard. That's why this video is gonna be kind of short. But so we got that all plugged in. The hardest part literally was probably getting the other one out and probably making sure that O-ring stood in place, or stayed in place, I should say. But it looks a lot better, cleaner. No more having to deal with anything stockish intake wise. Now we just have to get the hot side intercooler pipe white. Eventually I want to do the coolant pipe. So instead of this, it goes right here and then to the coolant, or to the thermostats and stuff. But that'll be cool. But pretty much done with that stuff. Once I do tomorrow, and then we're on the cosmetic stuff. We're gonna move from the back to the front. But I got something special coming, so stay tuned. Keep watching, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell in the corner for anything like that. Subscribe, show all your friends, family, cousins, blah blah, aliens, Bigfoot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for listening to my little kid talk the whole entire time. She's all done. You know, it's pretty easy, obviously, after you put everything together. It's not that hard. That's why this video is going to be kind of short. But so we got that all plugged in. The hardest part literally was probably getting the other one out and probably making sure that O-ring stood stood in place, or stayed in place, I should say. But it looks a lot better, cleaner. No more having to deal with anything stockish intake wise. Now we just have to get the hot side intercooler pipe white. Eventually I want to do the coolant pipe, so instead of this it goes right here and then to the coolant or to the thermostats and stuff, but that'll be cool. But I'm pretty much done with that stuff. Once I do tomorrow, and then we're on to the cosmetic stuff. We're gonna move from the back to the front, but I got something special coming, so stay tuned, keep watching, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell in the corner for anything like that. Subscribe, show all your friends, family, cousins, blah blah, aliens, Bigfoot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for listening to my little kid talk the whole entire time.